I just wanted to do a quick video, take a second to show you how to manually eject a stuck tape in a DAT, digital audio tape player. This is the Panasonic SV-3900 with the remote option. I've taken the top panel off. It was just 4 screws. Let me grab that panel. It just situates on there, and a number of screws later and it is off. So I don't have this plugged in. This is the tape loading mechanism. I have a stuck tape in there, and this little band, this part of the mechanism, motor mechanism rather, with the band on it, you turn that away from you to start unloading the tape. We can see over here, it's starting to come out. Your tape may be wrapped around the drum, so you may need to fish that out. If not, you just keep going, and then you can retrieve your tape.